My name is Heinz Curry. I'm going to explain to you the basics of an FTC control system. So before we get started, I just want to make sure that y'all can hear me. Can y'all hear me right now? Awesome. All right, so basically, you want to know what the robots are controlled by. So basically, like I said in the beginning, the robots are controlled by two Android devices. So these days they're called the control hub and the driver hub or the driver station. It basically controls the motors and all ports on the actual control hub. It's basically a phone, an Android phone with a bunch of ports all over it for motors and stuff. The control hub can house up to 4 DC motors, 6 servo motors, and about like 15 sensors, which is needed to be able to use for uh, autonomous mode. So if you want to add more than 4 motors, you have to connect the control hub to an expansion hub, which is basically just a bunch of ports to expand the capabilities of the control hub. So basically, you can use up to now 8 DC motors, 12 servo motors, about 30 sensors, and about 1 battery. So that's basically what the expansion hub does. The driver station connects to the driver station is another Android device connects and that connects to the control hub using Wi-Fi Direct. You can use up to 2 controllers legally for FTC, and this one also runs on Android and basically connects to the interface of the control hub, and you can basically access all your modes from there. So now we have here, I could show you in person what this is. Alright, so basically this is the expansion hub. I don't have a control hub at the moment. You can basically connect all kinds of motors to it and ports. Here's a driver station. It's literally an Android phone with USB ports at the bottom, so you can connect a controller to. So you might have heard that we have a chip shortage because teams are not able to get their control system by like August. Because last year there wasn't, and we were able to get ours in early July. So teams may have to use just a normal Android phone as the driver station, which is basically you could just connect this one to a controller, and it's basically the same as this. You can also use up to 1 battery. Just legally, this is one of them. This is the Rev Slim battery. So you can just connect it to here, and you can basically use it as that. So here's a real live application on what the control hub is used for. All right, so here we have is just a basic robot built to basically teach programmers on what to do. So over here we have the control hub. Sorry. Over here we have the control hub over here which houses all the motors and connects it to everything. The battery goes here, and all of its components are connected to this one hub, which you can basically control from the driver hub. So that's one. That's the basic application of it. So just wanna see. Does anyone have any questions? Awesome. And I just want to thank everyone for coming out to the stream today. These will be posted after this is recorded, and we will be posting more of these videos every Friday until the end of July. It'll be from 4 to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right. Thank you for thank you for watching, and